We already done the car model. Now we are going to go to the car part. So car section, you can go here. So this one we no need them. We have to remove the salt part. Other things it's we needed. So let's remove it. So let's type PHP artisan migrate refresh. Okay, we have refresh it. Okay, so we have refresh it. Now what I'm going to do is after that, what I'm going to do is here. I'm going to go to the car table, this one model. You can see here there's a migration router things is there. After remove the salt column, what would be look like? Let's click this. So you can see the cars. The salt is there. You have to this one should be we have to remove them. This all things. Otherwise it will there. So cars we have to do the things. We have to remove them. Drop it. Go right. By the refresh it. Now let's check it the things again. Cars. Okay, why what's the problem? Car sales for the table. Car sales. Why don't the changes are not applied? Here we haven't saved the things. That's why we haven't saved the things. That's why you have to save it. Once you did the changes, you must save. Otherwise, it it happening again. I'm going to drop it. Now refresh them. That's why the thing is like this. Now you can see. Okay, now it's okay. Now what I'm going to do is here. I'm going to go to do the thing is car as a title, description, say text. Simply you have to copy this migration part. You have to paste it over here. Also model. Instead of that, you have to select for you remove them. Copy this. Paste it over here. This one should be model ID. So ID model name. Same thing, just copy it. Paste it over here. Member ID. Name this one. Or the third one is a food type. It's a petrol, diesel. Another one is a petrol. Here after that village. Age. After that village price photo. mileage, year, mileage, price, photo. The sold column we don't need. That's all things we have needed. Let's file save all. Done the things. After that, we have done the car view part well. Now let's go back to my car model, the model relationship. So how to make the relationship? One model has many cars. So one model has many cars. We have to make the relationship one model has many cars. So here I already done the things. You can see one model. So one car model. So as many cars. So we have a many side. You have write the we have create the variable car variable function. It has one car model as many cars. So the many side, so it's a car, you have to call the model, which is a car, it's a as many, so it's a many side. What's the relationship ID? In order to relationship with car model and car, this is a model ID, car model ID. That's the thing you have correct. Okay, so if you go to the car table, so here this one should be the car model function. Its return belongs to car model. Here's called the car model, this car model. It has a, what is the relationship? Model ID. This is the foreign key of the tables. It's a foreign key. You can write like this is a foreign key, the ID, that table ID, you can write it the foreign key like this. Okay, this don't need that. It automatically take care of it. Okay, you don't worry about that. It automatically take care of this all the things. Okay. Another one, what are the another relationship? Another relationship, one member has many cars. Okay, so one member side means a car function. You get the car function of member table. This car function has many. This car side member ID. So one car member has many cars. So has many. So you have to go to the take care of the example of car side. Here's a member belongs to member ID. Okay, this is simple stuff you have to do. This is simple stuff you have to do. I think you have to understand the relation. This relationship is must. Okay, when you are working with. So here car and member. So here in order to map the car, we have to map the two things, car model and member. One member has many cars, one model has many cars. Okay, this is the relationship we have to make it. Okay, very simple. We have to make the relationship. After that, we have to go to the car controller table. So here we have to write it here. You have to take these two things. So you have to write this same thing. The car. You can write it over here. First one should be the we have a car. You have to get all the car data. This is all the things we car index. So you have to make it as car index. Okay. First you have a car model. You have to get the car. So to get the car, you have to already set the car model. Also, we have to set the model path where data is coming. To get all the car details and passing this variable. So this one should be the get two things. What are the things you are plug and getting? First one should be the car, not so car model. This one should be the this one car model. The car model. Another one is a member. Okay, member. So car model. There is a car model. There is a model. This is a model. The car model. The model. There is a name. The ID is a name is coming. Member table. Member is a name is we have displayed. That's things you have to do here. Okay. This one should be the car model. This is a member. Car model. Members. Out of the car. That's thing you have to do when the page is loaded. Let's save all. So write it over here. Whole car. The other thing is, we run the project and check it. Control car model not found. Yes. Okay. The model we haven't put it. The models also. The models also we haven't put it here. The car model here. Second one is car model. So mem. Why we need the model? We have to plug and get the data. Car model and member. Let's save this. This is not a member. Okay, this model is a member. I have to do the member slowly. Here you write model. This is not a brand. It's a models. This models. Where's the models? This car models. Car model. Write car models. This is a car models. This one should be the not a brand. This is a member. Members. Member. So the car. The car. This car. Index page. Not this. The car model. I'm taking car model and member. Okay, this one car models. You're right. Car models. It's a members. Right. Okay, I have this not this table. This one. This control. So here we have to go to the section car index. This one should be the models. Car models. Car models. This one car model. Get the name. After that, member. Member. Save all. Let's run the application. Compare car models. Okay, good. Car models. Not here. It's car models. It's car models. Let's file it and let's check it. Okay, it's working now. Now you can see it's working. So the data is not coming. The problem is it is we haven't registered any models and members. We already refresh it. Okay, that's why it won't coming. But if you register a car, it will be coming. So you have to use the brand, it's the model brand. You have to write the brand, all brand. You write Toyota, BMW, all models. 7 Toyota. Okay. Now let's go to the car, all cars. What's the name? Car model, the name is undefined name. In my next video tutorial, I'll be explain how to solve this error and get back the data. Thank you for watching.